Um, all right, so last one, and any any of the three of you could answer. So if you could write a love note to a woman who is currently on the fence, so potentially some people on this call today, they're on the fence about joining us today. What is one sort of pivotal moment you've had with CLA that you would want to share with her or him, I guess, but her most likely? Any of you have like that sort of pivotal moment that you were like, yes, people need to be part of CLA because of this? And some of it is things you've shared already, I think, the camaraderie, the networking.
Can I? I'm going to jump in. Um,
Sure.
every time I'm around these women, every time, period, every time, and I've been to two Wash Dry Fold conferences. I've been to the Clean Show. Every time I'm around these women, I'm going to Excellence. Cannot wait. Um, I I learned something about myself. I learned something about the industry. I learned. I mean, it is. I have more friends, and I have more like I just am more rooted in both myself and the industry. And I said it before, and I will say it until I'm blue in the face. There's something magical in showing up. And there is something especially magical in showing up with these women because holy crap, these are some amazing women. That's all I have to say.
That's a good summary. Monica or Kenny, anything else to
P.S. I
add
love
or
you. Like, P.S. I love you. Like, that's the thing. It's P.S. I love you. I clearly wasn't done talking. I mean, really, like, don't laugh at me, Monica. Uh, but I mean, really, like that's the thing is like, there's a part of me that like gets excited when I'm like, oh, I'm going to see my friends. I didn't know these people before I went to Wash Right Full conference. Like, P.S. I love you. To everybody who's on here, I love you.
I think the events themselves are great, but when you attend any of our women's events, the energy is just unstoppable. There's just buzz in the room and everyone is happy and yeah, they're great events. Kenny, were you going to add something?
Just echoing the fact that, showing up is worth the time just because of those connections. And, you get all the added benefits of learning more about the business and just feeling smarter and more confident in yourself. But it's really just that connection alone is worth showing up for. So I completely
Yeah.
agree.
Well,
And,
oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. I didn't know if you were going
uh,
to talk or not.
yeah, I think I would just add too, because we kind of talked about like leaving a love note. I just want to say, like, every person on this call is capable and worthy of a successful business. And you are worthy, we are worthy of having a partner in running our business. And that's where the CLA and the Women's Laundry Network comes in. So just ask yourself, like, how much faster, how much more confident could you grow if you didn't have to do it all by yourself? Because you don't. Yes, I love you. I love
Yes.
that, Catherine. Well, let's tag that on.